What's up mga ka-momentum? We are here at La Union! Guys, kain muna. Nag-lunch na kami. Kain muna. Hi guys! May kiss mark yan siya.
Guys, team building kami dito ngayon. Actually, ang accord lang namin is Dream Team. Pero at La Union.
Ay! Yeah. So yeah, we're eating. Kaka-lunch lang namin guys. Pero nagme-merienda na agad kami. Guys! So we are here at La Union for our project. Malalaman nyo din yan sa Momentum Art Gallery. Tapunan ako, oh!
Oo nga din.
Okay, oh! Nagme-merienda lang kami.
Para kang
Anong date today, Marco?
Ayan? Ano? 19.
Nang?
Ano? February.
19 ng, di alam. February
Hindi ko alam kaya nagtatanong.
26. Yes, sir. Kamaya, i-start kami and then i-before ko na din yung walls. Ganda guys. Beach front, di ba?
Parang into pa kainin eh.
Okay guys, ito nga pala guys yung accommodations namin. Yan. Diyan kami. And ito. Yan. So yan. Sobrang ganda guys. Thank you po Ma'am Shea.
Yung dalawa.
So yan. Siguro tomorrow morning or mamaya kami po ang gagawa. So yan. Sobrang pagod pa kasi kami guys sa biyahe. Travel kami ng 3 a.m. Tapos karating kami dito mga 10. Ay, hindi, 12. Nantukot-tukot ko yung itsura ko. Okay guys, we are already starting with our mural painting project here at LU Beach House. Obviously located at La Union. So ito na po yung ginagawa. Nothing. So this design was given to us by our client. Guys, grabe, sarap dito. Pakita ko sa inyo yung place, and of course, may mahal siya yung nag-mural. So yan. So mga client po natin na from LU, yes, we are catering La Union. Yan, La Union. Tapos ba niyo sasabihin ko, dagat to. Sarap pag-work. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. Yun guys, may dalawang barko dito. I don't know if what are this because yes, this is our first time here at LU and there's an island there. At doon po tayo nag-mural. Ayun si Mahal. So if you will notice, yan po yung pinaka main beach house po nila Ma'am Charity. So ito po yung pinaka main house ni Ma'am Charity. And ang design po natin guys ay sobrang ganda. I'm not sure if the design was sunset or sunrise. Pero parang sunset kasi siya. Okay. So ayan po yung nilalagyan po natin ng design as of the moment. Pinakita ko na yung before niyan, 'di ba? And then ito, may mural din po ito. Oh. Yan, if you want your walls na magkabuhay, you can go ahead and contact us. O, sa harap po niyan may pool, o, diba? So, that's what we're doing. And there they are. Hi, guys! Mahal! Hello! So, ayan. For yung project namin today, we started February 19. So, today is February 20, 2026. Okay, so I'll be back for more updates. Nasa whip pa lang naman po tayo. Ganda nito guys, sobrang ganda nito. So, pakita ko sa inyo later. Guys, good evening! Nagpe-paint pa din po kami. Yan na. Tapos dito sila. So, ang total ng walls na gagawin po natin dito ay 5 walls. Pakita ko, wait. So guys, if you will remember, this is our main wall. This is the wall that we need to emphasize. And just to let you know, the design or theme for this wall is sunset. Okay. Since sunset po yung nakikita dito sa La Union. So there, ando si Mahal yan, oh. Gagawa siya. And mag-overnight kami ngayon ng gawa. I mean, medyo malilate kami ng tapos. Okay? And then, over here, this is the second wall that we are now doing. So this wall is the main house. So yan yung main house nila dito sa LU Beach House. And then this one is, they call it Sandbox. So, guys, this is another room that you can stay. Pwede kayo magstay dito. They call it Sandbox. And over here, yan, meron po ditong tree house. So, that's a total of 3 accommodations. So, yan. Itatag naman namin sila dito sa vlog na to, guys. Para makapag-inquire po kayo kila ma'am. So, guys, the material of this wall is metal. So, ang pinang flat po natin dyan is yung pang metal na paint. Okay. So, that's what we're doing. And kami yung nag-base nito. Hindi ko na lang na-vlog yun, pero kami nag-base niya. Hi!
Dati kay credit po din ako.
Kaya nga.
Kasi kanina pa eh. Hindi ko lang video.
Nalate ako ng video.
Bukas ang tamad eh.
Kawawa ka naman, nagmumukha ka tamad.
Totoo lang, gusto ko nang lumamay doon.
Kasi guys, yung harap ng bahay, di ba nga yan, pool. Yung main house. Yan. Binibase lang muna namin to guys, so that tomorrow we can do it na hanggang gabi. Ito kasi tatapusin pa din natin. So malaki-laki to guys. Isipin nyo, ayun si Mahal. Compare nyo siya kay Mahal. Ayun si Mahal, oh, yun oh. So mataas to. Ayun yung hagdan na ginagamit namin dito. Yan. So, hi Mahal! Hi ka. Hi! Yan. So, siya yung nagde-design dito. Though, nag-help kami. Nagkagalit mo yun. No, yan. Nag-help kami dito. So, guys, ito, grabe. Tapat talaga siya ng sunset. Kaya pag around alas 12 hanggang alas 4, talaga nag-i-stop kami, guys. Hindi talaga kaya. Sobrang init talaga. Not unless makulimlim. O, outdoor kasi yan, di ba? Pagka ano, langit na. So, ayan. And guys, and just to let you know guys, this main house, this whole house, yan, dito po kami pinagstay ng client natin. So, thank you so much po kay Ma'am Shari D for letting us stay here. This is a very beautiful house, guys. There's a lot of painting inside and very, ano siya guys, Filipino style house. Yun. Then, beachfront siya. Like, 2 to 3 minutes nasa dagat ka na. So, ayun. And aside from that pala, mga ka-momentum, nadagdagan po yung goals na ating i-accomplish for them. So, dalawa lang yan, di ba? Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, and then yung sa sandbox. Ngayon, pinadagdag na po ni Mami 3 pang wall. So, bali 5 walls po ang i-accomplish natin dito. So, ayun. Makikita nyo na lang po sa ating mga future vlogs, yung mga iba pang walls. So, ayan. Yun lang, guys. I don't know if makakapag-vlog pa ako tonight, but definitely magbablog ako tomorrow. So, thank you so much. Again, this is Chel from Momentum Art Gallery, and stay tuned. Guys, nandun sa taas si Marco. Grabe ang taas. Sipin niya yung kabila din. Kanyang kataas yan. Oh my gosh.